Alright guys, welcome back to the Parker Performance YouTube channel. Today we're doing an instructional video on how to properly install your Parker Performance banner. Let's start off real quick with the prep work. So the number one thing is you want your windshield to be clean. If you have some Windex and some paper towels, make sure you clean your window. The next thing is make sure that the window is not hot. You do not want to do this while your window is hot. This thing is nice and cold. You would need to find yourself a squirter, a sprayer, soapy water, and obviously your banner. So once you get your Parker Performance banner, it's gonna look something like this. We're gonna go ahead and spray most of the top part here where the banner is gonna go. So this installation has to be a wet applied. So you're gonna grab your soapy water and kind of spread it out. And then it is a two-man job, okay? So have your buddy, your wifey, your someone to help you out. Oh boy. Oh boy. And you have to make sure that that doesn't happen. All right, so the good thing about this is that I was able to design it so it sticks about 1 inch on each side. The good thing about wetting the surface of this, The good thing about wetting the surface of this, you'll be able to slide the banner back and forth and place it accordingly. So right now, you gotta move your side. You gotta pull you, pull you, pull you, pull you.
It looks like Yusuf could go more to his side.
Yep. All right, so we lift and move.
Now that looks pretty even, boys.
Now you gotta make sure that this doesn't go all the way up here. I think it has to go down a little bit.
And this, boys and girls, is why you wet the surface.
All right, so from right here, let's go ahead and grab a squeegee, a little,
Yeah, that looks really good, boys.
Better? Okay. And then obviously you're gonna start from the middle out. And you're gonna squeegee all that water and all those bubbles out, dude. Now look, we are no experts here. We are not vinyl experts.
The second time we put it on.
This is the second time we put this thing on.
Look at his face when he says that.
All right, you're gonna want boom, boom, boom. So you're pushing down, you're pushing that water out. There you go. So I'm spreading this that way. You go
that way.
Yeah. And then right now, what you want to do is just make sure that all those bubbles, those little air bubbles, or that little soapy water that's still underneath it and some of the letters and whatnot, just make sure you get that out. So that's why we do the wet application. If you were to do this dry, as soon as it touches, it's getting stuck on. You're not able to move it back and forth. You're not able to move it back, and you're not able to take it off if you so need to. So, yep. And then some of these you will have to kind of like tuck in.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Top part here, stubborn as fuck. This should take you, with help, a good 15 minutes just to get all the bubbles out. Make sure your installation is done as well. Yeah, don't cut my paint, please. I'm trying not to.
Look how steady that man's hands are when he be cutting.
You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying not to cut into this paint. Right, yeah, please. I'd like to keep whatever's left of the paint. Whatever's left. This ain't no grabber blue, bro. You have plenty of paint. All right, guys, so this should be looking like the finished product over here. Let me see if we can get a center view real quick. And boom. Yeah. Damn! Anyway, guys, just remember, clean your windshield. Make sure the windshield's not hot.
And the little bubbles are gonna come out of this one.
The little bubbles are going to come out with the sun. However, the wet application is for us to be able to get those bubbles out. If you guys have bigger bubbles in there, you can actually poke them and actually bleed them out there. But yeah, we're just pushing. But here is the final product. Here is this baby girl.
Hey, you want a ref us? Right there.
Right here.
Where is that?
Boom.
How much is it? 15, 20 bucks?
$49.99, I think. Or $45.99. One of them two.
$49.99 right there.
Boom.